Hello, and welcome to this helpful guide on managing your messages in Google Meet, also known as Open Meets. If you're looking for a simple way to delete messages and maintain your chat privacy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through each step clearly and easily. Open Meets app on your device. Tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on Message Settings. Scroll down and find the Delete Messages option. Tap Delete Messages. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete to confirm your action. Your messages will now be permanently deleted from the app. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to delete your messages in Google Meet easily. For more tech tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future updates.